By now, we've all heard of the viral Japanese cheesecake. I'm wondering if it'll be any good though, because it's just yogurt and cookies. So that's what I am here to test out today, to see whether the Japanese cheesecake hype is worth all the praise. So stay tuned, welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am making. So the only thing you'll need is Greek vanilla yogurt, or you can use any yogurt you want. And I am doing 3 kinds of cookies. I'm going to do a mint Oreo, a Biscoff, and a custard creams, which should be really good. So let's see what this is all about. So I am simply going to get 3 yogurt cups, 1 for each kind of cookie, and I'm going to make them nice and tall. Then for the first layer, I'm simply just going to put in, and the first version I am doing is going to be my custard creams. So I am simply just going to press it in and do that with each cookie, making sure to fill up all the space. The second one I'll do is the lotus cookies. And then for my final cookie, I am doing the Oreo mint. So that should be really good. Smells amazing already because of the mint. And then to each one, I am just going to do another layer of yogurt. And then I am simply just going to layer another layer of cookies on top. And then you are simply just going to smooth out the top. And then I am just going to put a lid on top. And I happen to have some really nice spoons that I can put with this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and now it is time to put these to the test. I am going to try each one, and I'm going to give my honest opinion about whether they are actually good or not. I'm so excited to try these because I heard great things about it. But let's see. Ooh, that looks good. Oh yeah. Look at those layers. Wow. Okay, let's try the Oreo one first. This one is so good. It is so minty and so chocolatey, but then you get that nice hit from the yogurt that kind of gives that sour sweet flavor. But it is so good. I am actually surprised how easy this is to make and how good it is. Next up is the Biscoff one. Let's see the layers. Look at that. That's gorgeous. This one softened up a lot nicer than this one did. That's the only criticism I would have for this one. But let's try the Biscoff one now. I love a good cinnamon cookie, and the cookie with the yogurt is so well balanced. It actually kind of does taste like cheesecake. I am not even joking. It has that nice sweet flavor, but that tangy flavor that you would usually get from a cheesecake. And then you get the hit of the cookie, which is like the crust, and it is so good. And now for the British people, let's try the custard creams. This one had a medium impact when it came to the scoopability. This one was the easiest, this one was the hardest, and this one is in the middle, so it's not good or bad. It depends how thick you like your cookies in this, but I would say go for a more scoopable one because you get those nice layers. And now let's try. I really like this one. This one is amazing. You get that nice custardy flavor, and the hit from the yogurt is again tangy and sweet. But with the custard creams, the flavor of the biscuit is a bit more mild when it comes to cheesecake, just because there is that custard filling. I would say if I had to choose one that is my absolute favorite, oh man, that would be so hard, but I would have to say the Biscoff is number 1. The custard creams is number 2, and the Oreos is number 3. So my final review on all 3 of these is they are really, really, really good. They're a bit healthier in my opinion because they use less ingredients. I would say that if you're going to do this, go for maybe a thinner cookie or something that has like a cream filling in the center so it's a bit more tender after it sits for the full 24 hours. And would I make this again? If I really wanted cheesecake, I would just make cheesecake, but this is not meant to be that. And if I was looking at it from the point of view of would I make it again as its own dessert, I would probably say yeah, like it is so good. I was actually surprised by how good this is, but I might even go as far as to say like, just go make it. Like if you're gonna try something, try this. This is meant to be a trend. It is meant to be viral because it is just that good. And there you have it, my honest review on these beautiful cheesecakes. I'll give you another view of them here. And they are so good. If you want to try them out, it's so simple, so affordable, so definitely go try these out. And until next time, a banana. By now we've all